Isang mapagpalang araw mga brad, isang kababayan na naman natin ang magpapasiklab sa bansang Japan. Dadayo nga po ang ating kababayan na si Virgil Valiente Vitor sa bansang Japan para sagupain ang knockout artist na si Toshihiro Suzuki para sa isang 8-round non-title bout sa Super Featherweight Division. May kasalukuyang record ngayon si Toshihiro Suzuki na 3 wins, 3 knockout at walang talo. Talagang mayroon itong 100% knockout ratio. At dating silver medalist ito sa Youth Olympic. Samantalang si Virgil Vitor naman ay may kasalukuyang record na 21 wins, 14 knockout at may 2 talo at may 66.67% knockout ratio. At kasalukuyang WBO, Oriental at WBC Asian Silver Super Featherweight Champion. Pero bago ang kanilang sagupaan bukas mga brad, August 24, ay atin munang kilatisin ang naging laban ng dalawang mandirigma sa ibaba ng ring. Itong March lamang 2023 ay huling nakalaban dito ni Toshihiro Suzuki, ang Thai fighter na si Kititat Yoshibong na may record na 21 wins, 11 knockout at 1 loss. Pero tinapos niya lang ito by technical knockout in round 5. Samantalang ang ating kababayan naman na si Virgil Valiente Vitor ay huling nakalaban niya dito ang Thai fighter na si Campi Payong noong May 25 taong kasalukuyan na may record na 23 wins, 15 knockout at 7 losses. Pero pinatulog niya lang ito in round 2 at dito niya nakuha ang WBC Asian Silver Super Featherweight Champion.
Straight right, clubbing left hook there from Campi, and that's got Virgil in a world of trouble. It looks like that shook the Filipino fighter, but I think he's just about recovered, landed his own right hand. Right hand from Virgil again. Both is very easy. It's going to be a great fight, folks. Don't blink. Virgil already showing different signs of bruising on his left eye, and that's the end of round 1. Okay, here we go, round 2. Round 1. Uppercut to the head, into the body, and back to the head again from Campi. Right hand there from Campi. Jab there from Campi, and a right hand. Single shot being landed very effectively by the Thai fighter. Oh, good left hook there from Virgil, who caught the rough in the chin. Good shot to the body and tripling up with the left hook and rallying with the uppercut as well. Going back for the left hook here, Virgil turning the screws in round 2. Can he maintain this pace? Right uppercut and left hook twice in a row. And Campi is down on the canvas. What a knockdown. It doesn't look like Campi's going to get up, and that's it. What a punch. What a knockout from the new WBC Asian Silver Super Featherweight Champion.
This fight was stopped. Round 2, 1 minute 34 seconds. And your winner by KO from the blue corner, Virgil Vitor! Virgil Virgil is the new World Boxing.
Hanggang dito na lang muna tayo mga brad. Maraming salamat po and God bless.